I'm gonna start with a sphere, pull her face from the front, backwards from the side. I'll work her jaw, her skull, indicate her eye sockets, then add a sphere, place it for her neck and adjust it. I'll add a new sphere, scale and place it for her ears. Oops, cat ears, right. I'll remesh her head, carve her eye sockets, pull out her nose, bulk up her mouth, refine her cat ears, fill up her eye sockets, then work her eyebrows a bit. I'll carve the lower and middle part of her mouth, then shape her upper lips. I'll draw her upper eyelids, smooth everything, then refine her mouth a bit. I'll sculpt her nostrils, bulk up her eyes, add her eyeballs, then sculpt her upper eyelids nice and easy, followed by the lower ones. Nice. I'll bulk up her brows, then start extruding vertices with the snap tool on to model her eyebrows. I'll model her eyelashes again by extruding vertices, filling them up and moving them around. I'll repeat that again for the lower eyelashes. I'll refine the lips volume, the nose corners, then I'll select polygons from her eyes and turn them black. I'll add a hair curve, place the points, duplicate it, rinse and repeat a few times till I cover the front part of her head. I'll add a sphere, sculpt it around her head, then continue to add hair strands for the back of her head. Cool. I'll add a new sphere, shape it for her torso, pull it down here, then measure her with my hands. I'll add a sphere, place it for her upper legs, scale it, mirror it, sculpt them, then duplicate them for her lower legs. With a plane, I'll create a floor, add a solidify modifier, then I'll add a new sphere for her feet and sculpt them. I'll duplicate this for her arms, then again for her forearms. With a new sphere, I'll sculpt her breasts, keeping them separate from her body for now. I'll duplicate them for her hands, then use a new sphere for her thumbs, which I will then duplicate for her fingers. Checking her proportions, not bad, not bad. I'll do some quick adjustments here and there, add her gluteus maximus, sculpt them, then I'll duplicate her body, turn it black for her clothes, and sculpt it. I'll do the same back here, then I'll turn her mammary glands white for her clothes and sculpt them over her. I'll add a plane here, extrude the vertices to create this lower part. I'll sculpt it a bit, then I'll duplicate her legs, lower this part, turn it and the rest to her leggings, then smooth and refine it a bit. I'll use the same color for her shoes and carve this opening. I'll add a sphere, scale and position it right there, then I'll merge and smooth the neck. I'll paint her eyes black, a bit of gold for the iris, and more black for her pupils. I'll sculpt her clavicle, paint red blush on her cheeks, her nose, then paint her lips, and then her whisker marks. I'll adjust her hair strands, cover the pit of her neck, bulge out her collarbone, then paint some purple on the edges over here and over here as well. I'll adjust the clothes a bit, then I'll add some hair strands on the inner parts over here. I'll make these longer, then continue to add inner hair strands. I'll add a sphere here, then sculpt it a triangular shape. I'll smooth this whole area, refine the edges in the front and in the back over here. I'll then turn her shoes into high heels, carve the separation and adjust the form. I'll paint this lower part gold all around, then I'll add a cylinder, place it for her bracelets, duplicate it, place it here, turn it white, and sculpt some folds. I'll duplicate her bracelets again, place it on her neck, make it purple, adjust it, and continue modeling to add the heart-shaped parts over here using simple modeling techniques and adding support edges to sharpen these parts. I'll then place it and turn it gold. I'll add a new sphere and sculpt whatever this is, then I'll merge the fingers, smooth and refine them. I'll duplicate the bracelets, place them on her shoulders and model this part. I'll then continue to modify and improve her hair from all angles to make her 200% cooler. Beautiful. I'll add an armature, scale it up, move the leg bones, delete the face bones, align the arm bones, the finger bones, then add a rig. I'll parent her to the rig, show you my awesome pen spinning skills while waiting, then test out the rig. I'll move her around and push her limits to see if it works. Seems good to me. I can't find any issues. So I'll move her hips, move her shoulders, her feet, her left arm, the right one, rotate her hands, her fingers, nice and easy. I'll move her index finger as well, then I'll repaint her eyes properly, blending the colors nicely, adding that pupil again, then modeling some highlights. I'll paint shadows on her face, some highlights all over to make her skin shine and pop, then I'll paint some red on her cat ears. I'll add a cube, turn it red, add a subdivision surface modifier, then turn it to a heart with some basic modeling, nothing fancy. I'll add a decimate modifier, then lower the value for this nice effect. With a new cube and similar methods, I'll start modeling her tail, modifying the faces and moving them around till satisfied, then I'll add a decimate modifier. I'll start refining areas that need work from the new pose, improving her overall coolness. I'll keep at it until I'm content, then I'll duplicate and place this heart over here to model her earrings. Cool. I'll add some folds, refine the sculpt even further, and sculpt more details here and there. I'll model this last part over her high heels, duplicate and place it here. I'll start sculpting her face without symmetry. I'll add volume for her lower lips, improving the mouth. I'll refine the edges, work the upper lips, her frill trim, and sculpt some flesh over here. I'll sculpt some nails, paint them, refine the whiskers on her face, clean up the edges, and improve the highlights. Nice. Real nice. There's still something missing. Oh, right. Turn on the lights. Hell yeah. 500% coolness. I got great news! I started a new Patreon page this month focused on helping you learn how to sculpt in Blender. It has an introduction to sculpting in Blender crash course exclusively made for my Patreons, monthly character packages, monthly tutorials, a private Discord community, and more. Also, I released a new course on Gumroad, 3D modeling for complete beginners with over 15 hours of content. I'll add the links down in the description to my Patreon and Gumroad. Alright, cool. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell to get notified whenever I release new content. With that said, I'll see you in the next one. You are beautiful.